Hey guys, in this video we are gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy A50, Galaxy Tab S5e, which are getting update with January's 2020 security patch. So yeah, let's just start with Samsung is rolling out a new update for its Galaxy A50 and Galaxy Tab S5e devices, and the update brings the latest January 2020 security patch in the addition to a few fixes and stability improvement. And Samsung Galaxy A50 update is currently rolling out in Russia only. Some mobile reports while the Galaxy Tab S5e update is rolling out in countries like Panama, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, and Bolivia. However, there is currently no information on how long users on the other country, including India, will have to wait for the update. But the Samsung Galaxy A50 update carries software version number A5055F9PUU3A76, and the Galaxy Tab S5e on the other hand carries the software number of T725XXS1ASL2, and the update does not bring any new features but just bug fixes, security enhancements with the January 2020 Android security patch, and the performance improvements. New feature will come as part of the Android 10 update with One UI 2.0. However, however, there is no clarity on when the devices will get the update. If you own either the Galaxy devices, you will get notification to the download update automatically. View the push notification. Alternatively, the update is availability can also check by going to settings, then system updates, then download and install. You guys probably know specification, because if you don't, you probably checking this video out because you have the phone, and that's why you wanted to know about the update. That's when your phone is getting update. But even if you don't know the update, don't know the specs of your phone, then let me quickly remind you that it had a 6.4-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display with Exynos 9610 octa-core chipset, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, triple rear camera setup with 25 megapixel primary sensor, 5 megapixel secondary depth sensor, and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. On front, Samsung Galaxy A50 sports a 25 megapixel sensor for capturing selfie and videos. That's for that, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.